motorbikes, you know, you find me a video where they put a releasing agent on. They're not. There's the police. We're having a good old watch. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be scrubbing in a brand new tyre. I want to show you how I do it, and I've never had no troubles with this. So this is pretty much a follow-on from having a tyre fitted. Click here for the last video. Boots come out and he'd done me and my brother. He put us both a brand new tyre on. So like I said, this is the follow-on of what good practice, what you should do after having a new tyre fitted. And I also want to dispel some myths around it. A lot of people say that they put a coating on the moulds to release the tyres. You know, go on YouTube, try and find a video. There's plenty of videos of tyres, trucks, lorries, forklifts, motorbikes. You know, you find me a video where they put a releasing agent on. They're not. Fortunately, I'm qualified in escalator handrails, and it's the exact same process: rubber, canvas, steels, vulcanising. Mine's straight, it's not round. So click here for a video. I'm going to do a video on there, and I'm going to prove that there's no releasing agent, and the slippery sheen is just a part of the process. It's the oils that are coming out of the materials. So come down here, hopefully you can see this. I've rode here as upright as I possibly can to show you how easy it is to scrub in. I've got a good 3 inches there that hasn't even been touched yet. I will move you in for a close-up, but I'm on my own and it's a little bit tricky. What you don't want to do is have a new tyre fitted and go out and ride how you would normally ride, because literally within minutes you're going to come off. I can kind of attest to this. A couple of years ago, when I had my hyper motard, I had a new tyre fitted. I pulled off the driveway. It was a hard 90 to the right. I went 5-6 miles an hour. I wasn't going too mental, but a little bit too much throttle, and the arse end just went. I didn't go over, but it was squeaky bum time. Car parks, because the other one was quickly filling up with learner drivers practicing, and I was being a bit of a hindrance to them, and they was probably wondering what the hell I was doing. So I've just come to the next car park over. The other one's just behind them trees. The reason I didn't come in here first is because this one is on a bit of a slight slope, and if you can see just there's the police. We was having a good old watch. So they didn't say anything, they just observed me. I'm sure they'll come and ask me a few questions in a minute, but all I'm doing is being safe and scrubbing in a new tyre. So as you can see, all I did was a few figure of 8s, some slaloms, some circles, and I've gone from that massive, like 3 to 4 inch of unused tyre down to about 1 inch. Now, being that this is a super sport and it's nigh on a track tyre, it's not the super caution, it's the next one down, but it's still, you know, I'm not going to get all the way to the end on the road, because I'm not that sort of rider. I don't try and get my knee down. no good having a brand new tyre fitted and doing a burnout. You know, a lot of people say, oh, I'll do a burnout, but you'll go out on the road. Yeah, your top centrepiece is fine, but as soon as you come to a corner, you're going to come off. A few people have asked me when I have my old tyre how I get my writing so neat and tidy. It'd be a really quick video because it's literally just painting and whatever else. So click here for that video that will come up soon of how I get how I paint them and get it looking so neat. Comments or top tips of how you scrubbing tyres, drop a comment below and we'll have a look and I'll give it a go. I'll try it out myself, see if I can adapt and include it into how I do mine, because no doubt this tyre isn't going to last a year like the other one. But hey ho, you know, the Diablo Rosso, they only last 3,000 to 4,000 and I'll ride this all weathers, any excuse I can get.